everyone, I'm Bregan and welcome to Extreme Makeover Heart and Home. This episode features the construction of the hanging daybeds for the Mosley family. Jessica is raising an active family in Cheyenne, Mackenzie, Annie, Jordan, and Miguel. As a mom, Jessica is looking to give her children the lounge space from heaven and a much-deserved place to rest. The outside space is where I really want to give Jessica a sort of custom seating option where she can relax. Jessica loves to read, but didn't have a quiet space to do so. It was her dream to have daybeds on the back porch, where she could snuggle up with her favorite book, and the best part about the beds is that they are large enough for an entire family to enjoy. I think it's nice to sort of suspend yourself in air and relax.
Is it a swing or is it stable?
It's a stable daybed, and we're putting two of them across from each other, and they each take a twin mattress, so there'll be lots of extra seating. I have an antique armoire that I'm incorporating on the back of this bench to really bring in some of those Spanish warm vibes. Team Bregan is making dreams come true by helping me build these daybeds. Jessica does not have a space or moment for herself, so I want to create some relaxation.
This is going to be perfect for that.
These hanging daybeds, they are large enough to fit two people comfortably. Twin mattress large.
It's going to be a nice place to just sit out on the porch, relax, take the stress off, and get away.
And you measured this so that it would fit the mattresses, right?
Yep, measure twice, cut once. That's the motto right there.
I like that, efficient. Have you ever heard of a pocket hole? Check this out.
This is joined with pocket holes.
Yep.
So it's a kind of nifty, easy, do-it-yourself way of joining two pieces of wood.
Okay.
So if you look here on the front,
yep.
You see these little divots right in here?
Oh, those are smart.
Yeah, so what we're gonna do is that is driven right through the middle of the wood.
Okay.
And it's gonna go drive a screw directly into the middle of the other wood.
Are you gonna let me try?
Yes, ma'am. Push down. Money.
I love repurposing pieces with character, especially as a design feature element. Making custom pieces always just helps the house have its own individual personality.
It does, especially taking something, you know, old that was with the family before.
Yep.
And then repurposing it. That's exactly what I love to do.
Spanish boho chic, anyone?
So we're gonna go like this.
I mean,
it's gonna just...
That's a Spanish boho chic to me. Warm wood tones really speak to sort of that Spanish element that you see, especially in these rich, deeper colors. But I love that there's some carved out flair, and it's still clean lines around it.
It is.
So excited to see this house come to life. I really think the juxtaposition of the design elements on this hanging daybed truly brought it to life. The modern base really popped that Spanish armoire detail we brought in, but it's the mattress that you can just sink into every day.
This is so awesome.
This is amazing.
And Pam and Jessica,
oh my God.
These are each your daybeds.
Okay.
One for each of you. These daybeds are for Mom and Grandma, so they can relax while you guys play with all the special features, right? You always want to keep the eyes on the kids, but you need a comfortable, self-charging space to do that from. So on the daybeds, you can do that.
Do you recognize the back of the daybed?
Is it the dresser?
It is an armoire that we refurbished to bring in that Spanish style. I love that I was able to give Jessica these custom hanging daybeds for her home. She's floating on air. Jessica needed this for herself, but it also meets the needs of her 5 children as well.